My name is Julie Rivers, and I had bilateral earlobe repair. I had defects in my ear that would not allow for me to show my ears off. They were rips in my ears and tears that happened and occurred from the 80s. Of course, we wore bangle earrings back then. So I had to hide those defects because I work in a professional environment. And so it was hard on me because I'd have to select certain types of earrings and have to use my hair to cover. So it was kind of a nuisance more than anything. I woke up one morning and I thought, why am I living this way? And I decided I would check into it, see if it was something that I could do, something that was affordable, how quick the procedure would be, and learn about it and try to, fix something that I've wanted to do all along. So I came into the office. Of course, this place is very welcoming, so I had no anxiety about it because I was just looking forward to the excitement of having it done. He did the procedure just the way he had told me it would be, and during this whole time, he explained to me exactly what he was doing. He told me, this is what I'm about to do. He did it, and it was not a long procedure. It was quick and over with. It was painless even. He's the type of surgeon that he will let you know that he is right there for you. And that's important to me during my healing process, is because healing is very important. That's how you're going to get your best results. He explained how to properly do the aftercare, and I followed that instruction to the T, and I did. I got the best results. So I wear my hair back. I show off my ears. I don't feel like I have to protect that area of my body or hide something. It gave me better self-esteem. I feel whole again. Waiting to consult with somebody, which I'm so happy I found Dr. Robb. If it was going to be this easy, and I knew it was going to be this easy, I would have done it years ago. I would not have waited. It was something that I lived with unnecessarily. You should do it because you're going to be happy with whatever procedure you have done. I have complete confidence in Dr. Robb. You're going to love your results. You want to be cared for. This is an environment where you're coming for help, and you want to come into a place that's going to, understand you, take care of you, be compassionate toward what you're going through. And that's what I received here. Undeniably, that is why I keep coming back, because after this procedure for the earlobe repair, I was like, he's the obvious decision for me now going forward for anything else. We all have something that we don't like about ourselves, and we wish we could change it. If you had the ability to change it, and you knew a person who had a expertise about it, a skill level, who could do a procedure as exact as Dr. Robb does, make no mistake, you'll just do it.